How to enable live captions in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to turn on real-time captions for any audio playing on your device in real time. First, press Windows key plus Control plus L on your keyboard and the live captions bar will open straight away at the top of your screen. Alternatively, click the Start button and open the Settings app, click on Accessibility in the left sidebar, and then click on Captions to find the toggle to turn it on from there. After that, the first time you enable it, Windows will prompt you to download the required language files. Click Download to proceed, and it should only take a moment. At this point, once everything is downloaded, the Captions bar will appear at the top of your screen and start transcribing any audio playing on your device in real time. From here, if you want to move the caption bar, click the three dots on the right side of it and select Position to place it at the top, bottom, or in a floating window anywhere on your screen. Following this, click the three dots again and select Caption Settings if you want to change the font size, style, or color of the text to make it easier to read. Finally, to close live captions when you're done, click the X on the caption bar or press Windows key plus Control plus L again to toggle it off. That's how you enable live captions in Windows 11. If this was useful, leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!